Hello everyone. Welcome to mywordbook.com. In today's video, I have a new word for you. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it on daily conversation. Quirk. It is a noun. Basically, quirk means a strange happening or accident. Let's take few examples of quirk.
Example 1.
Janice has this irritating quirk of rolling her eyes whenever she speaks.
Example 2.
Wearing only pink socks is Greg's oddest quirk.
Example 3.
Each man in the mental health ward has a quirk that makes him unique.
Example 4.
By a quirk of fate, they had booked into the same hotel.
Example 5.
Years later, by a strange quirk of fate, she found herself sitting next to him on a plane. That is the end of today's video. Kindly share your suggestions on comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.